Hey guys, just want to do a quick video on one of my favorite dishes, especially in it could be year round. I enjoy in the wintertime when it's cold out, and the dish is called a ratatouille. Um, one of my favorite books and authors everybody knows is the Gordon Ramsay's. This one's under his fast food book, they calls it, because the recipes are simplified. But I'm using his base as a simple means in which to educate people on ratatouille. And you don't have to use the specific vegetables. You can use any vegetables. The base being uh, the tomato, right? And flavorings or seasonings being basil and garlic and olive oil. Okay, so onion. So I have the spelling ratatouille. Doesn't even look like it says ratatouille, but it's Ratatouille, ratatouille. But in his recipe, he has onion, eggplant. Eggplant is common in a ratatouille. It's kind of his core vegetable. Bell pepper. Sometimes he has the red and yellow. Zucchini is another core item with the eggplant. He has thyme sprigs, olive oil, sea salt, and black pepper. I've moved to kosher salt as my salt of choice, and fresh cracked. I do have a salt pepper that I do and that I use on everything. Okay, it's all set, ready to go. Garlic clove, the chopped tomato. That's again part of the base. He has some cherry tomato in there for texture, and fresh basil or any basil. Okay, and again, basically, it's you wanna saute your garlics. You want to saute things a little bit, and then you can add your tomato and basil at the end, your fresh basil, but and season to taste. I like the customer to finish their seasoning. If they'd like to add a little more salt, remember you can add more, but you can't take it out. Once it's in. So anyhow, this is a ratatouille dish that I enjoy that I'm sharing with you guys, and again, enjoy, right? Ratatouille. This is the recipe.